Enjoy fresh-smelling garments and clean clothes with this 9kg AEG washing machine. SoftWater technology delivers a 60-degree cleaning performance at just 30 degrees, purifying the water so that the detergent can work more effectively. This maintains the shape and texture of your garments and ensures colours remain bright and blacks remain black. With ÖKO-Mix technology, detergent and softener is mixed with water before it enters the drum. This activates the detergent and softener earlier on, ensuring that every fibre is cleaned and cared for. AEG's ProSteam technology adds steam at the end of a wash cycle. This reduces wrinkles by up to a third, saving you time when ironing. With a 1400 spin speed and an A++ energy rating, this AEG washing machine will be a great addition to your kitchen.